Hey, YouTube family. Joel coming with you tonight with chart mark up on Thursday and Friday. This week it is NFP, first Friday. Be careful, guys. I'm going to be talking to you about ChfJpy. I see some big money moves coming on this one. So I definitely want to do a top-down analysis. Anybody doesn't know me, just tuning in. Been trading since February 2019. Doing this because I had a rough start, not the best mentorship. My first 6 months, I thought I was really winning. No, I was really gambling. Didn't know my risk to reward ratio well. I was using lot sizes that were definitely over leveraging my account, and I just needed fine tuning. I needed mentorship. So I come to you, give you some trade ideas. I don't do stop losses. I don't do take profits. I give you structure in the market. I give you areas to watch out for. I give you areas that I think and I see where it's going to either react, break, retest, and just go from there, guys. These are on the day chart all the way down to 30-minute. And why I say NFP, this is where we're talking about things that impact the market. It's US news. Hopefully you have some news sites you look at. I do not watch regular news. I do not like that kind of stuff. I keep my vibe as good as I can, living light, best things possible. But there's news sites that you can look at to see where there's going to be red folder news or high impact news, things like that, especially when you're trading Forex. Make sure you're getting into those and looking at them, like Forex Factory, FX Street. There's a few, but everybody has their own preference. Let me get to this, share my screen. All right, so as you can see, I am looking at ChfJpy on the daily, guys. So this one right here, we have this big zone coming up. What am I marking? I'm going to be using gold tonight for daily structure levels. Why I'm excited is this finally, it broke this, it retested this level right here. And like, not even that level, let's move down just a little bit. It broke, it retested this level and then came up. So guys, what you see here is what I'm excited about. Came down, and you'll always hear me talk about the break. It broke above it, it retested it, and now we're getting this move up, guys. I'd love to see it come up here, come back down, test this level. Of course, it'd be next week because we're looking at the daily chart. And then after that, see it come up farther. Guys, that's a lot of pips. This is a powerful pair. So next week, some big profits. Everybody better be making faces or making fun of the faces I make. I can't talk. But it's been some crazy busy days for me. I know this week I was a little lackadaisical on my videos to you, and I wanted to make sure I got another one. And I'll definitely be on tomorrow night. We'll go over some of them that I did mark up earlier in the week. Because man, I know I ate off of AN all week, so I hope some other people were too, for sure. As when you're looking at these, this move this week alone, 78 pips. So next, you're looking at 172 pips. And then you're like, oh, Joel, only 72? Guys, how many pips do you need every day to take out in the market to win? 30 days consists, or 30 pips, 5 days a week, that's 150 pips. You're using proper lot sizes, risk management, plan your demo. Test this stuff out, back test it. You don't take my word for it, but it's about consistency. I want to help you build some legacy money, not lotto money. I want consistency is key. So showing you this right now. Look at this gorgeous move. It came up, touched this level. Now we're breaking above it already on the 4 hour. I love that momentum we're seeing. I see my flat candles coming out this week. You may, and I don't know if you hold trades over the weekend. Some people do, some people don't. You may see a decent move overnight with this one, guys. It's already breaking above my stronger points. I'd love that. Do I have supply and demand zones on here? Yes, I have some cool indicators. And truly, if you would like to talk to me about different ways I assess my charts, like you see, I primarily use price action. I look for buyer and seller zones, and I like my EMAs. When they cross and they tell me a story, love it. I love when I see this come back down, that retracement. It comes down and touches off of there, goes back up, uses it as a trampoline, guys. Hopefully you have your confirmations. So I'm seeing that on that right now. Yes, it's 11:55. I'm doing my best to get this to you for the start of London. Now it's coming back and retesting the zone. Guys, if you see it break tonight, truly, right above here, I'll change the color because I said I'd be using different colors for different times. You guys always get me, I swear, after my gym. I really don't always have just gym clothes on, I swear. But I like to work out at night, trade, clear my head. So I'm looking for a push above here. If we get a push above 120.42, let's run into the next zone. Like I said, catch some pips, end of the market. That's 15, run into this zone. 45 pips. Come on now. I know our ATR on this one isn't that big on the 30, but guys, it is making those moves. You can see this already. Are there some structure points that needs to break? Yes, right here. That is a lot of structure. I know I just marked it on the 30, but on the 4 hour also. So you want to see it come above this level, 120.42. If you're looking for this for buys, guys, the overall trend's up. I know you guys can see what I see. Use your confirmations. Do you use the RSI? What zones are you looking for? Got a flat candle. I use the Haganashi candles. Shows me some momentum. Shows me where there's buyers and sellers. That's what I'm looking for. As I'm looking to take 30 pips out of this tonight. Once it breaks, like I said, 120.42. And yes, I know that's a whole 8 pips away. Bet I'm getting in on this. So hopefully these price points help you for the next few days coming into the new week. I definitely know this is a strong zone right here. Like I said, we can play devil advocate, but I really do see more of a buyer's momentum in this. It had been going down, but your overall trend, when you really pull this out, what is it, guys? It's been up for forever. Up. Did it come down for a little while? Yeah, it really did. Don't get me wrong. It did, but it broke out of that zone. So once again, guys, it broke my zone. It's going for that buy. Take this to the sky. I really hope this helped tonight, guys. Looking at ChfJpy on the daily. I know it was a short video, but my analysis is pretty simple. I see that we have a lot of buyers in this market. It's pushing it up. Sellers didn't win on this one. Came back, it broke, it retested, and take it for what it is. Don't try to see something different. Yes, I know it went down for a little while, but guys, this is a gorgeous move up. Gorgeous. Don't be late to the party. There's always pips to take out of it, so you're never really late. Pips never run out. But I want to make sure you guys are eating well. So, like I said, guys, make sure you're writing down your trades. Make sure you know why you're taking them. I don't care if it's because I said, hey, Joe, looks like it's buying. But why? Is there buyers in the market? Your EMAs, which ones do you use? Did they cross? Are you looking for flat candles? Or do you use the candlestick Bible, traditional Japanese candles, like more momentum? You know, you're looking at reversal patterns or continuation patterns. You're looking at that stuff, guys. My name's Jill Rupp. I'm a Trend 21 trader. Guys, if you're confused or you need help, a little bit of guidance, mentorship, schedule a time to sit down with me. My link for my schedule is up at the right-hand corner of my YouTube page. Love to sit down, help you just refine your skills. I want to see this change your financial future. I want to see you become that trader you want to be. Love and light, guys. I hope you have a phenomenal Thursday and a Friday. Remember, it's NFP. Be careful. Have a good weekend.